Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a video here of a Moffett M55.3. Actually it's just a regular M55, that's because it's a 2014. It's got yourself a 10-foot mast. We're showing 1,844 hours. This thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. Now I want to say right up front, right off the bat now, you got yourself here brick and block forks. But for free, you can switch these out and have pallet forks. Or you can keep the brick and block forks. It's either or. Now, when we repaint these, we remove the roll cage, the seat, the hood, the back door, many of these covers that are easily removable. See the evidence of new bolts, the battery cover, that hydraulic manifold cover. What we do is we paint them separately. And then we paint the red separately. We paint the unit with all that on there, and then we paint these units separately, put them back together, so that way we can get paint right in between everything. We also change all your fluids. Look at your beautiful hydraulic oil. All your filters are changed. Hydraulic oil, fuel filter, oil filter. You got yourself a date code there. Now you have new tire in back, new tires in front. We'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. We'll give you an operational guarantee because we refurbished this baby. We've gone in and looked for anything worn, such as pins, bushings, chains, mass bearings, rollers, anything wearable like that. If it's found to be out of spec, we go ahead, take care of it, and fix it. We also pressure and leak test it. If we find a bad hose, a leaking cylinder, a weak or leaking wheel motor, or the hydraulic pump is leaking or weak, it's taken care of. We'll give you what we call an operational guarantee because of this, because we know that you're going to buy this and be happy. Now, when this shows up, it's going to be condition I've shown you here today in the video. You can read the description. You can look at this video and pictures and know what you're buying. If it's not the way we've said or something's happening in between, we're going to go ahead and help you get it fixed. Now, this is just when you get it. You're going to be satisfied when you get it. We guarantee that. After that, we're going to back up your Kubota engine here for 30 days. So very short term. Once you go to work, then the Kubota engine, the operational guarantee is over, and we back up your engine though for another 30 days. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up here, show you how she runs. Here's your Kubota engine coming right to life. Your mast is going up and down. Tilt. Side shifts. Outriggers. Mast going in and out. This baby drives nice. Look how everything's in sync. All your motors are working great. All your lights are on, working good. Got your backup alarm. Now go ahead, you can give us a call. 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. 99lifts.com. Thank you for watching our video.